Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kirtana. So today I will be creating a very pretty look using my glam products. So just a few days back, I received all of these products and using only these products, I will be creating a look out of it and I will also let you guys know my thoughts on all of these products. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with my skin prep, I'll be using the Glow Iridescent Brightening Essence from MyGlam. So this is how the consistency looks. It's slightly runny and it's also thick. I'm just going to warm this product between my palms and I'll be applying this onto my face and also on my neck. As the name suggests, it's definitely glowy and it gives you that healthy natural glow onto your face. I'm not sure about the brightening part. Moving on, I'll be using a Wet n Wild concealer. I do not have any base products in this box, so we will not be using any foundation today. So I'm just going to apply this concealer wherever I need a little bit of coverage. That is under my eyes, around my nose, and also around my mouth. And I'll also highlight my T-zone. And to blend this out, I'll be using my fingers. I swear by it. If you're not doing it on others, always blend your base products with your fingers because the warmth from your hand will melt down the product and it'll look super natural on your skin. So if your base is a little bit lighter than your skin tone, just like mine, do not worry, we can balance this out using a bronzer or a contour. So also do not forget to apply whatever you apply it on your face also goes on your neck. So do not forget that. Next up, to set my base makeup, I'll be using the Radiant Matte Compact Powder from MyGlam. So this component looks and feels very luxurious. I'm just going to take the powder and apply it all over my face. As the name suggests, it sets your makeup, it mattifies your face. Moving on to the next product, I'm using their Chisel It 3-in-1 Highlighter Blush Bronzer Trio. As I've told you before, the look and feel of the component is super luxurious. This is the swatches of the highlight, blush and bronzer. So to bronze my face, I'll be using this shade. Be very careful, this is super pigmented and also the blendability of this product is quite okay. So be very careful with this. I'm just using this right below my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead, and also I'll be using the same to contour my nose. Moving on, I'll be picking up this blush shade and placing this right above my contour. This color looks super pretty on medium skin tone. I really like the blush color. Unlike the bronzer, the shade is super blendable, but it's quite pigmented. Be careful with that. I'll be taking the same highlight from the palette and I'll be placing it on the apples of my cheeks and also on the bridge of my nose. Next up, for my eye makeup, I'll be taking this Superfood Kajal from MyGlam. This is in the variant Raven and I'll be drawing a very thin line close to my lash line and I'll be using a brush to smudge this out and create a wing. Once I'm satisfied with the wing, I'll go back and intensify the same liner and I'll also tightline with the same kajal. Applying the same on my waterline and I'll be connecting it to the wing. To give some dimension to the eye, I'll be applying the bronzer shade from the Trio palette. I'll be applying this onto my crease and also on my lids, mainly concentrating on my crease, and I'll be blending this out with a brush. So now I'm going back with the same kajal and I'm going to intensify both my upper and lower lash line. Once that is done, I'll be going back and drawing a very tiny inner corner wing. I'll just quickly complete the other eye off camera and be right back. To highlight my inner corner, I'll be using the same highlight shade from the 3-in-1 palette and I'll be applying this onto the inner corners of my eye. Going back with the same compact powder to brighten up my under eye. Moving on to lashes, I'll be using the MyGlam Twisted Volumizing and Curling Mascara. I'll be applying this mascara both onto the upper and lower lashes. So finally, to complete this look, I'll be using the MyGlam Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick. I really like the Velvet Matte variant than the matte one because it doesn't dry out my lips. It has high coverage with just one swipe and lasts really long and also has a satin matte finish. I really like this one. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time when I upload a new video. Also do check out the description box because all the shade names, product details, and I'll be putting out a mini review on each of these products down in the description box. So do not forget to check that out and also share this video with your friends and family. Thanks a lot for staying till the end. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.